Hey, what's going on, guys? So this video is going to be based on the warm-ups. I already posted a video like this in the post earlier today, but I am going to end up attempting to do these videos a little differently. They're just not downloading into the Teams very well. So instead, I'm actually going to create a link and I'm going to end up adding it to YouTube. So all the videos I'm going to end up using, I'm going to assign them to you because I do want you to watch them. Also, from what I've seen today, is most of you haven't commented on the post, things like that. So I'm going to end up posting these videos on YouTube instead, because the links just seem so much better. With that being said, this video is about the warm-ups. The warm-ups are going to end up being based off of 10% of your grade, okay? 100%, 10% of it is coming from the warm-ups. With that being said, you need to complete this every single day, all right? I'm going to open them up. For example, this Sunday coming up, I'm going to open up a warm-up at midnight, and you need to complete it by 11:59 Monday. If you do that, you are going to get 100% A, and you're going to get marked present. This is how I'm taking attendance and checking to see if you are actually doing some of the material on this program. All right? It's an easy question. It's only one question on the warm-up. It's multiple choice. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. All right? I'm going to move myself up into the corner. All right? If you look right here, it says first week check-in. This is something you should have already done. If you haven't, make sure to do that. Next thing, starting Sunday, this Sunday coming up, right at midnight, it's going to say warm-up number 1. You're going to click on it, and you're going to answer the one question and turn it in. That's all you have to do, okay? That's going to be it. This is for a grade. It's 10% of your grade. Also, if you can't find it in the post, go to assignments up here in the corner. If you click assignments, it will also show you what needs to be done. Your screen's not going to look like mine just for the simple fact that I have a bunch of other things in here than you do. So as you can see, it's due, right, at 3 p.m., but there is an extended timeline. Warm up number 1. This is what you want to do. It's not going to be open until Sunday night at midnight, so going into the next day. All right? It needs to be completed. It says 3 p.m., but I do have an extended deadline until 11:59 p.m. All right? This is 10% of your grade. It's due every day. You see this one's March 30th, March 31st, April 1st, April 2nd, April 3rd, and every single day that you are supposed to be in school, you need to complete these. These are an easy 100. All right? Also, guys, it says post questions over here. So first period questions, third period, fourth, or seventh. Post your questions over on that side. All right? If something's not working and you're having serious issues with Teams, send me a message on Focus or Portal, okay? We're all trying to figure this out. You know I'm here to help you. You guys are awesome. I'm going to post another video talking about how you're going to get the rest of your points, okay? I'll talk to you guys later.